Another important tool in this software is blur tool. You can blur anything in image with this software. We have four type of the blurring. The most common blur is Gaussian blur. It means you can blur the background. For better understanding that, I can, for example, use this software. I want to blur the background with that. Going to the edit, going to blur, and simply increase the amount of the Gaussian blur. It's blurring everything. It's very simple. Then you can go to the mask and you can use the AI mask. Use the AI mask to identify the things. I want to blurring sky. Yeah, it's identifying the sky, water, mountain, background. Yeah, I think it's masking everything except this person if you want. Or you can come back, going to adjustment, Gaussian blur little amount, going to the masking instead of the AI mask, brush it. And I want to erase this person from the masking. Can erase it carefully. And you can use the soften brush for doing that. Soften brush. Very simple. You can use the AI mask or anything else. You can create something this, or you can bring the strength down to more smoother at the edges. Something like this. You can work better than me. This is in the simple Gaussian blur, blurring everything. Okay. Another blurs I want to explain with this snowfalls. Another blur. Twist blur. Twist blur. It's twisting, as you can see, it's twisting everything around the center. You can place a blur center. It's very simple. As you can see, it's twisting with changing the angle. Now you can see it's twisting around this. Nice. You can place the center everywhere that you want. For doing this, I give you another example of this wind turbine. You can go into the edit and want to use a twist blur to simulate the turbine blade are turning. Okay. In the blur, use twist, make amount, center, give a center here, amount, then angle. Yeah, something like this. And then, as you can see, twist everything. What can I do? Go into the mask, brush, and erase everything except the blades with 100%. I don't want to give all of these places and not the main body. And you have to carefully with the bigger size twist just on the blades, twisting, and that's it. We simulate the blade rotating. Another example, another blurring is motion blur. For this image, as you can see, they are running and there has no any motion blur. The motion blur is this. You can see it's better in this image here. This is a motion blur. So you can give the motion blur to images that has no any motion blur. Go to blur and simply click motion blur. Give amount. You can use a mask AI or everything that you want. Okay, in the motion blur, we don't have any angle, but yeah, you can rotate motion blur with place center, or if you want, you can mask it. Okay, this is an amount. Oh, sorry, this is an in shift. Sorry, this is a motion blur. Let's give to motion to everything that has an motion. It's the amount of that. Nice. It gives, for example, it's detected this person and gives lots of frame after and before that. That create a motion blur. And then you have to give a mask, and in this case AI mask. I hope it's recognized the I want to give the motion blur to just human. Let's see. Yeah, it's detected just this person. And then come back to the mask and give just this person. Going to the brush, let's paint. I want to give that motion blur also to this person, please. It's not important. Yeah, it's better to give a lot of edges to our person to more natural quality. As you can see, it gives the motion blur exactly at edges, and it's create a bad effect and a little bit with a softness mode at the edges. Nice. And now we have more natural motion blur like this. Interesting. And then you can come back to adjustment and play with amount. This is a motion blur. It gives a blur to the object that are moving. Another blur is tilt shift. It's very easy. Tilt shift, create a motion blur to something like this. It's give an actual linear blur. Tilt shift, amount, place center of that. You can see this. It's blurring from the edges from here to here, or if you're going most over here, you can rotate anywhere this blur that you want. By these handles, you can change the border of the blur. This is on focus place, and these are the blur. And from this to this line are fall off of that blur. And here you can increase or decrease amount of this tilt shift, or you can place the center. It's in a line. The center is moving according to this line. Okay, this blur. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.